I will explain about location for business purpose. Location refers to the physical or virtual place where a company operates or offers its products and services. It is a strategic element that influences a business's accessibility to customers, suppliers, employees, and its overall operational success. In this section, I will explain about key aspects of business location. There are 8 aspects. First, proximity to customers. Cost factor, access to resources, competition, legal and regulatory, infrastructure and technology, market potential, and last but not least, cultural factors. Proximity to customers. Businesses choose locations close to their target audience to improve accessibility, customer satisfaction, and sales. For example, retail stores often set up in high-footfall areas. Cost considerations. Costs related to rent, utilities, taxes, and wages in a specific area significantly influence location decisions. Businesses often seek a balance between affordability and operational advantages. Access to resources. The availability of raw materials, labor, and transportation networks affects the feasibility and efficiency of a location. For example, manufacturing businesses may locate near supply chains or distribution hubs. Competition. Proximity to competitors can be a strategic choice, e.g., clustering in a business district, or a factor to avoid when aiming to dominate a less contested market. Legal and regulatory. Local laws, zoning regulations, and tax incentives can impact where businesses choose to operate. Favorable policies often attract businesses to specific areas. Infrastructure and technology. Access to robust infrastructure, roads, ports, internet, and advanced technology can be a deciding factor, especially for logistics and tech companies. Market potential. Businesses assess the purchasing power, demographics, and growth potential of a location's market. For example, luxury brands often set up in affluent neighborhoods. Cultural factors. Cultural fit and alignment with the community's values can affect customer engagement and employee satisfaction. Environmental factors, such as climate and sustainability requirements, may also play a role.
I will start to introduce about logistics. Logistic is process of planning, implementing, and controlling the flow and storage of goods, services, and related information from the point of origin to the point of consumption. When a company produces goods in a factory, logistics ensures these goods are efficiently transported to warehouses, distributors, and eventually to retail stores or end customers. So we will talk about strategies to improve logistics in emerging markets. There are 1. Adapt governance to distributor needs, like match governance strategies, or economic or relational, with the distributor's role in the relationship stage. 2. Dynamic governance, being flexible and adapt to market changes to maintain efficient distribution. 3. Invest in infrastructure, such as improve warehouses, transportation, and technology to streamline logistics. 4. Collaboration and work closely with distributors to solve logistical issues and optimize delivery routes. Logistics, as defined by APICS, is the art and science of obtaining, producing, and distributing material and products in the proper place and quantities. When this happens on a global scale, it's called international logistics. Many companies, like UPS or FedEx, handle these tasks, offering services ranging from transportation to warehouse management. These are known as third-party logistics providers, or 3PLs. Logistics is no small business. It accounts for 8 to 9% of the US GDP and is growing. Key logistics decisions. The cost of transportation, delivery speed, and flexibility are major factors in logistics decisions. For instance, deciding on the transportation mode plays a big role. Trucks, flexible and ideal for short distances. Ships, low cost and high capacity, but slow. Airplanes, fast but expensive, suitable for lightweight, high-value goods. Trains, cost-effective for large shipments but slow. Pipelines, limited to liquids and gases, with high initial setup costs. Hand delivery, crucial but costly, as it requires high labor content. Warehouse design. Modern warehouses often use systems like cross-docking, where shipments are quickly sorted and sent out without being stored, minimizing inventory. Another system, hub and spoke, uses central hubs for sorting and distributing goods efficiently. Locating logistics facilities. Where a company places its warehouses and factories impacts costs and service quality. Important factors include 1. Proximity to customers, for faster deliveries. 2. Business climate, favorable government policies or tax incentives. 3. Total costs, includes land, labor, and hidden costs like reduced responsiveness. 4. Infrastructure, reliable transportation, energy, and communication networks. 5. Labor quality, skilled and adaptable workers. 6. Suppliers, close proximity supports lean production methods. 7. Regulations and political risks, both local and global policies. For case study, I will take an example of Tokopedia, a leading Indonesian e-commerce platform. It faced challenges ensuring efficient deliveries between sellers and buyers. With millions of daily transactions, these logistical challenges involved shipments to diverse areas, from major cities to remote villages. Key challenges. 1. Delivery speed. Competitors like Shopee and Lazada offered fast delivery options, pushing Tokopedia to enhance its logistics services. 2. Shipping costs. Indonesia, being an archipelago, has high inter-island shipping costs. Sellers and buyers frequently complained about expensive shipping fees. 3. Integration with logistics partners. Tokopedia collaborated with multiple logistics providers, for example, JNE, Sisipat, GoSend, but integrating data and services across partners proved to be a significant hurdle. Logistics solutions. 1. Tokopedia Salam Program, a hub-and-spoke delivery model. Tokopedia established fulfillment centers in major cities as distribution hubs. Sellers send their goods to these hubs, which are then shipped to buyers using local logistics partners. 2. Instant delivery options. Through partnerships with GoSend and Grab Express, Tokopedia introduced same-day delivery services in major cities. 3. Shipping fee subsidies. Tokopedia allocated a special budget to subsidize shipping fees for buyers, particularly during major sales events like Harbolnas, Indonesia's national online shopping day. 4. Technology and data analytics. Tokopedia utilized big data technology to predict shipping trends, determine the best logistics routes, and reduce transit times. Additionally, real-time tracking features were implemented to allow buyers to monitor their orders. For the results. 1. Tokopedia successfully reduced the average delivery time from 5 days to 2 to 3 days in most regions across Indonesia. 2. Tokopedia can subsidize shipping fees and fast delivery options led to higher customer satisfaction, reflected in increased transactions during major events. 3. By optimizing logistics, Tokopedia reduced operational shipping costs by 15%, directly impacting the company's profitability. So we can take lessons and learn that collaboration with logistics partners is crucial to reach a vast and diverse region like Indonesia. Investment in technology helps overcome geographical challenges and improves operational efficiency. Enhanced customer experience in logistics, such as subsidized fees and fast delivery, directly drives customer loyalty and business revenue.
Slide cover. Next, I am Candra Aam Aminudin. In this moment, I would like to continue explaining distribution concepts. What is the distribution of goods? Why it is important in the supply chain? What kind, type, and mode of distribution? How our goods can distribute effectively and efficiently. Slide 2. At the moment, I would like to explain about distribution. What is the definition of distribution? There are 3 views about definition of distribution like below. 1. General definition. Distribution refers to the act or process of distributing something. This can involve dividing something among people, or spreading or supplying something across different areas or groups. 2. Economic and business context. In the context of economics and business, Distribution refers to the process of spreading products throughout the marketplace to ensure their availability to many people. This involves logistics, supply chain management, and marketing strategies to reach consumers effectively. 3. Statistical context. In statistics, distribution can refer to the way in which values of a variable or data set are spread or arranged. This includes the frequency of occurrence of different values within a data set. Slide 3. Distribution refers to the processes and systems used to deliver goods and services from manufacturers to customers. The important thing in distribution of goods, we inform like below: ensures product availability, influences customer satisfaction, affects overall supply chain efficiency. Key components in distribution of goods as following. Warehousing. It is how to save goods in the room or area. Transportation. What is kind of transportation use, by air, highway, or sea? Inventory management. How to manage incoming, picking, controlling, op name, etc. Slide 4. Objective of distribution. First, primary goals like deliver the right product, deliver at the right time, optimize costs and resources. Next, slide 5. There are 6 types of distribution systems. I want to explain that, and we start from first, direct distribution. Producers sell directly to consumers. Examples: e-commerce, direct sales. Second, indirect distribution. Involves intermediaries like wholesalers or retailers. Examples: retail stores, third-party e-commerce platforms. Third, hybrid distribution. Combines direct and indirect channels. Examples: Apple stores, direct, plus resellers, indirect. Fourth, intensive distribution. Product is made available widely. Example: soft drinks. Fifth, selective distribution. Limited outlets to maintain product image. Example: electronics brands. Sixth, exclusive distribution. Single outlet in a specific region. Example: luxury brands like Gucci. Slide 6. Transportation modes. A key decision area is deciding how material will be transported. There are 6 widely recognized modes of transportation: highway, trucks, water, ships, air, aircraft, rail, trains, pipelines, and hand delivery. Each mode is uniquely suited to handle certain types of products, as described next. Highway truck. Actually, few products are moved without some highway transportation. The highway offers great flexibility for moving goods to virtually any location not separated by water. Water ship. Very high capacity and very low cost, but transit times are slow, and large areas of the world are not directly accessible to water carriers. This mode is especially useful for bulk items such as oil, coal, and chemical products. Air. Fast but expensive. Small, light, expensive items are most appropriate for this mode of transportation. Rail, trains. This is a fairly low-cost alternative, but transit times can be long and may be subject to variability. The suitability of rail can vary depending on the rail infrastructure. Pipelines. This is highly specialized and limited to liquids, gases, and solids in slurry forms. Hand delivery. This is the last step in many supply chains. Getting the product in the customer's hand is often a slow and costly activity due to the high labor content. Slide 7. Key concepts in distribution. First, just-in-time JIT. JIT is an inventory management strategy that minimizes stock levels by receiving goods only as needed for production or sales. The benefits are reduces holding costs and improves cash flow and efficiency. Second, safety stock. Safety stock refers to extra inventory kept protecting against variability in demand or supply delays. The purpose is acts as a buffer to prevent stockouts and ensures smooth operations despite uncertainties. Third, reorder point ROP. The reorder point is the inventory level at which a new order should be placed to replenish stock before it runs out. The formula of ROP equals average daily demand times lead time plus safety stock. The purpose of ROP is prevent stockouts by ensuring timely restocking and balances inventory levels efficiently. Slide 8. Overview of key technologies in distribution. 1. Warehouse Management Systems, WMS. WMS software optimizes warehouse operations by managing inventory, picking, packing, and shipping processes. Benefits of WMS is enhancing accuracy, reduces errors in order fulfillment, and improves inventory control. 2. Transportation Management Systems, TMS. TMS focuses on planning, execution, and optimization of goods transportation within a supply chain. Benefits of TMS is reduces transportation costs, improves delivery timelines, and enhances customer satisfaction. 3. RFID, Radio Frequency Identification. RFID uses radio waves to automatically identify and track objects tagged with microchips. Benefits of RFID is improves accuracy, reduces manual data entry, and accelerates operations. 4. Internet of Things, IoT for tracking. IoT connects physical devices, enabling real-time communication and data sharing. Benefits as enhances visibility, reduces delays, and ensures better quality control. 5. Data analytics for decision-making. Data analytics involves using historical and real-time data to derive actionable insights. Benefits as facilitates data-driven decisions, improves responsiveness, and enhances overall operational efficiency. Key factors in distribution management. First, product type. Different products require tailored distribution strategies. For example, perishable goods, e.g., food, flowers, demand cold chain logistics, while heavy machinery may need specialized transport and handling. Second, target market. Understanding the target market's location, preferences, and purchasing behavior helps in designing effective distribution channels. Third, cost considerations. Distribution costs, including transportation, warehousing, and labor, directly affect profitability. Fourth, technology usage. Advanced technologies enhance visibility, efficiency, and responsiveness in distribution. Considerations of technology. 4. Warehouse Management Systems, WMS. Transportation Management Systems, TMS. IoT and RFID enable real-time tracking of goods. Data analytics. Automation and robotics in warehouses increase speed and accuracy while reducing labor costs. Slide 10. Distribution network models. There are two distribution network model, which is 1. Centralized distribution. All goods flow through a single hub. And benefit. Cost-efficient, easier inventory management. 2. Decentralized distribution. Multiple smaller hubs. And benefit. Faster delivery, reduced transportation costs. Slide 11. Challenges in distribution management. First, demand variability is fluctuations in customer demand make inventory and supply chain planning difficult. Second, rising transportation costs as costs for fuel, labor, and fleet maintenance are consistently increasing. Third, globalization and regulatory differences is operating across multiple countries introduces complexities due to varying regulations, tariffs, and trade policies. Fourth, technology integration challenges is implementing new technologies like IoT, WMS, and TMS can be expensive and time-consuming. In talking about mitigation strategies in distribution, there are 3 strategies that can be used in distribution. First, collaborative planning is working closely with suppliers, customers, and other stakeholders to align supply chain goals. Second, flexible supply chain design is creating a supply chain capable of adapting quickly to changes in demand, supply, or external conditions. Third, investment in technology is leveraging advanced systems and tools to streamline distribution operations. Key areas are with predictive analytics, enhances demand forecasting and inventory planning. IoT and RFID improves tracking and visibility of goods. Automation reduces labor costs and errors in warehouses. Benefits are increases efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. Slide 12. Next, some other challenges in distribution. Inventory management issues. Overstocking or stockouts. Logistical delays. Transport or supply chain disruptions. Cost management. Rising transportation and warehousing costs. Customer expectations. Demand for faster deliveries. Slide 13. The centroid method is a technique for locating single facilities that considers the existing facilities, the distances between them, and the volumes of goods to be shipped. The technique is often used to locate intermediate or distribution warehouses. In its simplest form, this method assumes that inbound and outbound transportation costs are equal, and it does not include special shipping costs for less than full loads. The centroid method begins by placing the existing locations on a coordinate grid system. Coordinates are usually based on longitude and latitude measures due to the rapid adoption of GPS systems for mapping locations. To keep it simple for our examples, we use arbitrary x, y coordinates. Exhibit 15.4 shows an example of a grid layout. The centroid is found by calculating the x and y coordinates that result in the minimal transportation cost. We use the formulas like below, where Cx equals x coordinate of the centroid, Psi equals y coordinate of the centroid, Dix equals x coordinate of the ith location, Diy equals y coordinate of the ith location, Vi equals volume of goods moved to or from the ith location. Slide 14. HI Octane Refining Company. HI Octane Refining Company needs to locate an intermediate holding facility between its refining plant in Long Beach and its major distributors. Exhibit 15.4 shows the coordinate map and the amount of gasoline shipped to or from the plant and distributors. In this example, for the Long Beach location, the first location, Dix equals 325, Diy equals 75, and Vi equals 1,500. Solution. Using the information in Exhibit 15.4, we can calculate the coordinates of the centroid. Cx equals 923,750 / 3,000 equals 307.9. Psi equals 650,000 / 3,000 equals 216.7. This gives management the x and y coordinates of approximately 308 and 217, respectively, and provides an initial starting point to search for a new site. Slide 15. Amazon's distribution strategy is a core component of its supply chain success, driven by innovation, advanced technology, and customer-centric approaches. Key aspects of Amazon's distribution concept are 1. Fulfillment centers, central hubs for storing, packing, and shipping products. The features is highly automated processes using robotics for picking and packing, strategically located near major markets to ensure quick delivery times. 2. Last-mile delivery, the final leg of the delivery journey from a local hub to the customer. Strategies of Amazon is utilizing Amazon Flex, a gig economy program using independent contractors for deliveries, and the second investments in its own delivery network to reduce reliance on third-party carriers like UPS or FedEx. 3. Technology integration, warehouse automation, uses Kiva robots for sorting and moving inventory. AI and machine learning optimize inventory placement and order fulfillment. 4. Multi-tiered distribution network, regional sortation centers, consolidate packages for faster regional distribution. Prime Now hubs serve ultra-fast deliveries within hours. Amazon lockers provide self-service delivery and return points. 5. Global reach and scalability. Amazon supply chain supports cross-border e-commerce with international warehouses and partnerships. Uses fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, for third-party sellers, integrating them into its vast distribution network. 6. Sustainability efforts, electric delivery vehicles and solar-powered warehouses. Route optimization technology to reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions. Slide 16. Here's a quick overview of the programs involved in supply chain by Amazon. Amazon Global Logistics. End-to-end solution includes local pickup, palletization, labeling, cargo insurance, and customs clearance at both origin and destination. Available freight services include standard ocean FCL, full container, and LCL, less than container, or fast ocean FCL and LCL. Partner Carrier Program offers 3 inbound shipping modes for products listed on Amazon.com: small parcel, SP, less than truckload LTL, and full truckload FTL. Sellers get access to discounted shipping rates from Amazon partner carriers. Amazon Warehousing and Distribution, third-party logistics, 3PL, that can both store and ship products within Amazon's fulfillment network even if they aren't sold via Amazon. There are no inventory capacity limits, and inventory replenishment can be automated. Fulfillment by Amazon. Third-party sellers send items to Amazon's fulfillment centers, where they are picked, packed, and shipped to customers. Items available via FBA are Prime eligible. Multi-channel fulfillment. MCF is part of the FBA program and works very similarly, but merchants can sell products through your own website or other e-commerce platforms and have them fulfilled by Amazon. Buy with Prime. Sellers offer products with Prime benefits, including free shipping, in their own stores. Orders are fulfilled through MCF. Thank you. We hope this material could open new insight about distribution supply chain of goods.